no one dreams of things like this when they are just starting off playing cricket. I still remember those days when I used to stand outside Wankhede Stadium just to enter and watch Mumbai Ranji Trophy team practice. I'm talking about 2004 or maybe 2003. We used to finish our under 14, under 16 training at Azad Maidan, and then we used to, me obviously with few of my friends, we used to travel across the railway track to go and just get a glimpse of some of the Ranji Trophy cricketers. And I know how tough it was to get inside the Wankhede Stadium back then. Even now, obviously, no randoms will be allowed inside the stadium, but those were the days. I'm just trying to remember now. And then I played my first game at Wankhede. It was such a big honor because we've only watched international games being played at Wankhede. And now to go there and experience the stadium, watch some of these greats taking the field and playing there was another different experience for me. And then since then, there has been so many memories playing at the stadium. I think in 2008 or 9 the stadium got revamped, and then we won the World Cup there, the finals. I was not part of it, but I watched it from home. It was a special feeling to watch that. And then since then there has been so many memorable games that has been played, and now to sit back and think that there is going to be a stand in my name, it's a unreal feeling. It is something that I never thought of, and I will be forever grateful for this big honor in my life. Like I said, when you start playing the game, you don't know how long you're going to play the game for, let alone all these milestones and achievements that you achieve while playing the game. But to get these kind of honor, having a stand named after you, it is something that I cannot imagine. But yeah, once I see my name there on the stand, it'll be a very emotional moment for me.